Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how you can get your WhatsApp link. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your WhatsApp application and then sign in to your account. Once you've signed into your account, WhatsApp does not have a direct button to copy your link, but here is a trick. You need to go ahead and tap on the chat section, select the person you would like to send your WhatsApp link, and then in the message box, you want to go ahead and simply type in wa.me/ and then you need to go ahead and simply type in your phone number with the country code, but make sure you remove the plus sign and spaces. Once you have done that, hit send and the message you just sent is your WhatsApp link. You can copy it, share it anywhere on social media, in your bio or with friends, and that's it. That's how you quickly get your WhatsApp link and share it with anyone. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.